Hello everyone, watch the video till the end to see how to make a snake. If you like this video, please comment if you have made a snake at a school or at a home. You should understand this video. Do it the way it is shown in the video. I don't speak skip English speak English very well, so do it the way I do it in the video. Watch the video till the end and comment where you are watching this video. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, give it a like, comment and tell me where you are watching it from. If you also made other paper snakes, like the video if you like it or don't. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like it, give it a like. If not, dislike. May God bless and protect you.